It might look to you like I'm being brutal with these plants, but they can handle this type of treatment. In fact, by transplanting them, by opening up the roots and giving them a little bit more nutrient matter to work with, we're actually stimulating their growth. 2 cups. And finally, the stragglers. There might be a 5 or a 10% mortality here, but we've already got plenty. So this is a service and a blessing to these lovely little arugulas. And now I'll go ahead and water them in. And as I said, this rough treatment will actually stimulate the growth, and in a couple of days you'll see major results. And then these plants can either be subdivided into multi-packs or cell packs, trays, etc., 6-packs, or being that it's arugula and it's so hardy, we might just transplant it directly into the soil. In the meantime, however, these plants will develop and get ready so that when they do get transplanted, they'll hit the ground running and thrive.